hairstyle is, it's like, I don't know if she is a boy or a girl, but her cut hairstyle, Diyos ko, manonosbleed ako dito, heart mix blood, kiburang parang yuta. I really love them because every time I saw video, there's a video with your son, and they are very supportive. They are very, very supportive to Hill Bailey creativity. That's why I love watching her videos, especially those style nail art collection and other unboxing haul. Oh my God! Magno-nosebleed na naman tayo! Alalata! Birabid. Agsidati birabid, oray magkasta. Just, I'm not a good English supervisor and everything manager. I'm not affluent for English, but I try to express my feelings. That's why, again, I would like to introduce my Gcash. Sandali lang. Yes. This is my tradition. Ay, you have us. Hill Bailey Creativity, you have us. Together with Simply Buhay. Ay, ang haba-haba yung video ni Simply Buhay. Simply Buhay, where are you na magparamdam ka? Magparamdam kayo. Ay, ating mga kalisitas. Kainit-init kalisitas. Ayan, guys. Wait lang, isarado ko lang yung escape kasi baka wala na tayong binta. Matangay pa yung ating mga item. Ayan, mega love, shout out. Ayan, Alalata Sis Birada, yes. Ayan. Simply Buhay, USA, malapit ka nang matapos. Tignan natin kung may harang ka. Hill Bailey Creativity, I'm done to you, my dear friend. Now, let's move on to Heart Mix Vlog. Heart Mix Vlog, thank you so much. May sasabihin ako sa iyo mamaya. Oo. May sasabihin ako sa iyo, sis. Mamaya. Pag wala na akong ginagawa. May chat pala ako sa iyo pag ano. Heart Mix Vlog. Ayan, ito na yung ano sa ilog mo. Ayan, sa ilog mo. Sunod-sunod ito, tatlo. Ito bago, pang-apat. Ayan. Okay, sis, thanks. Yes, may harang ka. Ayan. Ito yata yung may malalaki. Tignan natin. Tapusin muna natin yung ano. So, ayun lang nga mga ka-listen. Okay, sis, thanks. Ayan, thank you so much.